This is the bar I ordered from Amazon. It's a pretty sturdy bar. The only complaint I have is that the instructions was a little bit rough. It was illustrated. It wasn't clear. For a person who's not familiar with tools, it needs to be a little bit more clearer. All the tools look the same on there. I had to figure out which was which. Other than that, it was pretty, I guess, once I figured it out, it came together pretty easy. But I like it. The end result, I like it. In fact, I love it. I think it's beautiful. It fits my needs. It fits in the corner. It fits my stuff. And it serves its purpose. I would recommend this bar. This product is very nice for anybody who has a small apartment or a small space they want to have a bar in, they want to entertain in. I would recommend this bar. Thank you. Hope this helps somebody.
I absolutely love this cabinet. It wasn't as tall as I wanted, so I made the riser at the bottom, where the drinks are at the bottom. That didn't come along with it, so don't expect that. But all in all, it's beautiful. Okay, let's change the colors here. There we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Thanks to the supplier. I give them a 5-star review. Okay.
Just got done probably about an hour ago. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning now, and I'm loving it. I got it tucked away in the corner in my living room. I love it.
Got a new liquor cabinet slash coffee bar. Ooh. Switches colors. And it even kind of like matches my barn door. Yeah, nice to have enough clearance to get all the way open. Bam. It doesn't even touch. That's perfect. Woohoo, so excited to put all my liquors in there.
Prediction, not a bet. So no one is actually looking at action there. But you guys can bet each other, but I'm pretty sure it's the same money. Yeah. Big lottery. All money and my money. And that works in this family. Those are the monies? And as per usual, this is just free money for each.
And that crack is with the hinges loose. You can see what happens when the door just does not want to collapse around the frame or shut properly.